Hello there. Thanks for looking at this video. There are a few articles we need to tell something about to explain what they're all about. This is a kind of article group from the 80s. We started collecting on request, and we found out how hard they are to get. And so we started collecting articles, especially sweaters from the 80s. And there's a selection of how they look like. And you will find out that they are crazy. And in this form, not obtainable even in well sorted vintage shops. This is another article group with the skirts and dresses from the 50s, 60s, and some 70s, and we collect them by the zipper. You know, they're especially in Germany, and this is mostly German material. We have certain types of zippers that are very special for these decades, and so we can make sure that these models are from the time that is being aimed. This is our category shirts. It starts with the very old ones, or with also sometimes a spear point color, and with the closed placket. Um, and we always are very keen on making sure that the quality is excellent. Mostly it is dead stock. Some very lightly worn, and all shirts that we have in our category, shirts from the 50s, 60s, and 70s, are in excellent condition. This is another very interesting article. We have been doing this for almost 30 years now, and we found this in our storage. Yes, we have this for a long, long time in storage. This is underdresses and nightgowns for ladies from the turn of the century, about 1900. And as you see, they're very fancy made with crocheted works and some other craft systems that I cannot name in English. But you see, these are very nice, and you can use them probably through the centuries. Um, yeah. One thing we need to talk about when we have shown the samples. No, first we talk about also there are ladies' underwear from the same period, also very nicely made and extremely rare, I would say. And then we have to talk about conditions. We have collected everything we could get, and a percentage of less than 10. There are storage defaults, you know, sometimes at the edges or folding edges, or just decolorations. but this is, I would say, less than 10%.